Good morning, my all dear students. Today, in this video, we will discuss the chapter Nature and Purpose of Business, or you can also say that Nature and Objective of Business. Okay. So, before starting anything, let me simply tell you that what we will learn in this chapter. What is the objective of learning this chapter? First of all, we will get the concept and characteristics of business. Then we will get the differences or distinctive between the features of business, profession and employment. Then we will move to the classify business activities and clearing the meaning and industry of the commerce. Then we will discuss state various types of industry, etc. So let's start. Let's move here. Here we can see the introduction. First of all, the conversation among the four classmates observed that focus on the meaning and nature and purpose of the business. Okay, so they are the story type suggestion. So I will directly tell you that what is the business. Business means busy in some ness. Ness means work. So business means to be busy in such type of work by which we can get the profit. It's called business. Business means to be busy in some time of work by which we can get profit. It's called business. Okay. So let's move further. Concept of business. The term business is derived from the word busy. Thus, business means being busy. However, in a specific sense, business refers to any occupation engaged in the activity with a view to earning profit. It is called business, as I have discussed you. In every society, people undertake various activities to satisfy their needs. These activities may be broadly classified into two groups: economic and non-economic activities. As we have discussed earlier, that what are the economic activity and what are the non-economic activity. So economic activities are those activities which are directly related with the money, and non-economic activities are those activities which are not linked with money, which are linked with emotions. Suppose if we are in a restaurant and we have ordered some food, and after eating that food we will pay some money, so this is called the economic activity. And if your mom gives you food and at that time we don't need to pay any type of money, so this is called non-economic activity. This is based on the emotions and love and affection. So business is an economic activity. Now characteristics of the business. First of all, it's an economic activity. As we have discussed earlier, that business is an economic activity. Any type of non-economic activity cannot considered as business. Then production or procurement of goods and services. In business, either we will produce something for selling, or we could procure any type of goods and services, and this will be in business. Suppose you have kidnapped someone. And you ask money for that. So you cannot say that I am doing business. It will not be considered as business. Okay. Sale or exchange of goods and services for the satisfaction of the human needs. In this, we do sale and purchase of goods to satisfy the human needs. If their needs will not be satisfied, they will not purchase our goods again and our business will be flopped. Then, dealing in goods and services on a regular basis. Suppose you have some old furniture and you have sold that old furniture. So this will not be counted as business, because this is not a recurring activity. This is a single activity. This will not be repeated again and again. Okay. So regular interval should be there. Regularity should be there. Then profit earning. In business, profit is must. If we are doing anything for the sake of society, for helping the society, it will not be considered as business. Then uncertainty of return. In business, we cannot get assured that we will get profit. We can also get loss sometimes. So these are the characteristics of business. In the upcoming video, we will discuss this chapter further. Till then, you are requested to keep learning, keep studying, and keep focusing on your subject. If you find any type of doubts and any queries, you can ask. Our school will always there to help you out in all your needs. Till then, bye bye, students.